So what is the remembrance of Allah? Normally when we say dhikr of Allah, we tend to forget that afdalu dhikri tilawatul Quran. The best of dhikr is the recitation of the Quran. I've been promoting a challenge to say, start your day with a few words of the Quran. Start your day with one verse of the Quran. See how your life changes. Start your day with 5 minutes of the Quran, 10 minutes of the Quran. Notice I'm not telling you how many pages, I'm telling you how many minutes, because time is precious. But trust me, the word of Allah is the most precious. There is no gift that you can give yourself better than the recitation of the word of Allah and getting close to Allah. There's no gift better than that. Nothing will bring you contentment. No amount of wealth, no amount of material items, no motor vehicles, no perfumes, no makeup, no whatever fashion of clothing. Nothing will bring you true contentment besides your relationship with Allah. And I swear this by He who raised the skies without pillars. There's no chance that you can achieve contentment except through the remembrance of Allah and your relationship with Allah. When it improves, you will have contentment, you will be happy. When we are young, we are bubbling with energies and so on. We tend to focus on the wrong things. Those things that are giving you temporary pleasure, those are the very things that will bring about sadness and hurt to your heart, because you've given your heart in the wrong cause. You donated your heart to something material. It became more important to you than Allah. That is why the struggle. So make Allah the most important in your life. See what happens.